Hello everybody, and in today's video we're going to be teaching you how to make patterns in Scratch. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add an extension. We're going to make that extension pen, and then we're going to go to the event section. I'm going to use when space key is pressed because it's the most comfortable one for me to use, but you can use what you're comfortable with. And we're going to get another event block so we can erase after we are done. Then we're going to go to the control section. We're going to put repeat and repeat. But first we need to put pen down and then repeat. It's going to repeat 50 times and then 5 times. And for the motion section, we're going to move it by 70 steps, but this is depending on how big you want your pattern to be. Mine is going to be pretty big, so I'm putting it on 70 steps. Then we're going to make it turn by 72 degrees. Oops. And then we're going to set the pen color. I'll be using red, but you can use what you want. Then the last two blocks will be turned by 8 degrees here, and wait 0.2 seconds, but if I'm being honest, you don't really need this one. Then we're going to put the coordinates on 0 and 0, so it will be in the center of the screen. And to start it, I'm going to press space. And also, if you don't want the sprite to be in the way, just press this button to make it invisible. Alright, so this is how the pattern will look like. The pattern looks really good and it's very easy to do. But if you want to make it look a little bit better, there are some things you can do, like I was saying, you can make it look better by doing things like changing how many steps it is, like 70 to 80, and you can change how many steps it takes and change the color. So this is what I have changed between the two, and as you will see, the pattern looks a little bit better than it was before. Yeah, so this is what the pattern will look like, and that's all for today's video. Like I was saying, the patterns are really easy to make and they look really good. So that's all. Goodbye.